Hey Sarah, I've been trying to figure out how to use Facebook ads effectively for our new product launch. Do you have any tips?
Absolutely, John. In the digital age, mastering Facebook ads is crucial for achieving top-tier business success. With its extensive user base and advanced targeting options, Facebook provides a powerful platform for reaching potential customers.
That sounds promising. Where should I start?
First, you need to understand your audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. Facebook's Audience Insights tool is great for refining your understanding and creating detailed buyer personas.
Got it. What's next?
Next, set clear objectives. Define what you want to achieve with your ads, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Align your ad campaigns with these goals to measure success accurately.
That makes sense. How about the content of the ads?
Create compelling content. Develop high-quality, engaging ad creatives that resonate with your target audience. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling headlines, and clear calls to action, CTAs, to capture attention and drive engagement.
What ad formats should I use?
Leverage Facebook's various ad formats. Utilize carousel ads, video ads, and lead generation ads to showcase your products and services. Experiment with different formats to see which ones perform best with your audience.
How do I ensure the ads reach the right people?
Implement targeted campaigns. Take advantage of Facebook's targeting capabilities to reach specific segments of your audience. Use custom audiences to retarget existing customers and lookalike audiences to find new prospects similar to your best customers.
How do I track and improve the performance of these ads?
Optimize ad performance. Monitor your ad performance regularly using Facebook Ads Manager. Track key metrics like click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use A/B testing to refine your ads and improve their effectiveness over time.
What about budgeting?
Budget wisely. Allocate your ad budget strategically, focusing on high-performing campaigns and scaling them up. Start with a small budget to test different approaches and gradually increase spending on successful ads.
Sounds like a lot to keep up with. Any final advice?
Stay updated. Facebook's advertising platform evolves constantly with new features and updates. Stay informed about the latest trends and best practices to keep your ad campaigns fresh and effective.
Thanks, Sarah. This has been really helpful. I feel more confident about using Facebook ads now.
Glad to help, John. By following these strategies, you can harness the full potential of Facebook ads to drive growth and achieve top-level business success.